possibly.
Ma'am, recording start ஆயிடுச்சு மேம். நான் மேனுவலா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
ஓகேங்க சிவராஜ்.
Okay, and also make it full screen, Selva. Okay. So the platform name is 5 Elements. To be very precise, the idea of Panchaputa Pudangal, that is based on that. Actually, this is named like that. How we integrate, collaborate, and make it as a universe as a one. So that was the funda behind that name. So 5 elements, basically, the sign-in page starts with, everyone got all the sign-ins have been configured already, which I will be sharing after this meeting. So when you enter your email ID and the login, if you forget the password, you can forget and change also. But when you enter with your user ID, credentials, and password, you can enter, do a sign-in, Selva. So this is how the first page looks like, and where you will be. Is there any maximize that you can do? It appears small in the screen for me, at least.
That's the icon in the screen. So it's already on the screen.
Oh, you connected to Bharatiya University network via any disk and accessing it, is it?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Bring up the screen. So, and before we get into that, I wanted to ensure and assure that this is the information what we are posting here is not at all accessible by anyone else outside the world of university, and it is in on-prem of your own server in your own lab. We are using, we have only one access to configure this platform for you, but then this is completely secured in your infrastructure. Just to be sure, if you have the doubt that whether this will become public, no, it is not. So now if you see, this is the screen that would come up, and I'm not going to go every feature, but I will cover the flow, but afterwards I'll give the password and user ID so that everyone can play around and see how it works. So basically the students will be seeing this screen, whatever we are seeing, and they can post the artifact. If you click the post artifact, they can write or share their lecture notes or whatever the project reports, internship reports, whatever the type of the article. It could be anything that varies from here. It could be even ideas, it could be some sample question paper. So everything they can select whatever the type of artifact is, and what is their class or CS department, and the category of the artifact, whether it is you want to click the category, select something, maybe, it could be a technology, it could be a soft skill related, it could be more like a domain. Someone wanted to share about maybe Python in healthcare, so something like that. It could be anything on the category, and then title of the artifact, and write or the document, and write a little summary in the description. So what is it that we are trying to share here? Suppose an internship report that learning that someone wanted to share, they can say that this is the internship on this particular topic, and I am attaching the document here. So there is an attachment that could be a facility that could be used to attach the report or document, and post artifact is the button that could be clicked to post. Now this is how all the students or all the lecturers or all whoever want to contribute or share the knowledge, they can update this and share as a post artifact. Now comes the question. So what if anyone writes even a junk or anything that is completely mistake if it gets posted? So that is where I think this group comes into picture, where the scholars or the lecturers or whomever we are deciding that who will be the approval authority, you want to come out of it and go to the reviewer login, by the way, Selva. Selva, you can log out and get into reviewer, Selva. So the reviewer functionality will be configured only for those who are designated as a reviewer or approver. So for example, if there is a class of MSc first year, 30 students who will have one reviewer, and that reviewer will be configured such a way that he or she will be seeing a review button, and the review button unclick all the documents whatever has been posted. Currently everything is approved, but whatever anyone post, they can review, they can send for rework or approve. Then again rework means again the student will be getting that document again, and again she or he will rework that and submit. So until the reviewer is comfortable with the content completion, then it will be, he or she can click the approval, which will be published in the first page. Go to the first page, Silva. So this is how these contents are getting published now. Now if we see the document itself, every box, this is a box layout. So every box is having one content, one article, or whatever, one document. These are the tests that is being done. Everything will be cleaned up. So now if you see Python, about Python, there is someone who posted it, and you can read more. By clicking read more, you can see the full document. If there is any attachment, you can see any link that you have given. Everything could be done here. And there is a small gamification where you can write your comment. Yes, this is very useful for me. No, this could be elaborated. Whatever comment we have. And also you can like, upvote, downvote, everything that you can do as a gamification for this particular article. So making it more interactive. Now, by doing this, what is the, we can say, what is the motivation to do this? So here the motivation point is, for every student, when he or she contributes, they will be getting a credit point. Like on contribution, it will be 50 point, or on approval. Suppose the reviewer is reviewing and approving, they will be getting again 50 points. So your credit system will get enabled. So everyone will be getting. It's more like a rewards. So the rewards keep on increasing as much as we, even for a like you do, a comment you do, everything will be counted as respective reward point. Like maybe 1 point for a like, and 2 point for a comments, and 10 point for contributing, 10 point for reviewing. If it gets published, it's 100 point. So something, the credits will be keep on adding for every individual using the platform. And there is a small dashboard that shows what are my articles, how many published, how many in draft, and how many likes I got. So this is how the student view looks like. Now, once student contributed, reviewer reviewed and approved, and it got published now in the platform. I'll stop here. This is for the contribution of article, sharing the article part. So any questions until now? I will then go with how you consume or search the article. That is next topic we will go. So until now, we will take next 2 minutes to discuss if there is any clarification required.
Ma'am, I have only one question. Like suppose if I want to post some article to one particular class, is it possible?
See, currently we can do the restriction. But given that these all belong to same department, we are keeping it open. But yes, the configuration could be done that this article should be visible only for that particular class. Yes, it is possible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Say, for example, the syllabus or a sample question paper, while posting, we can select in drop down for which class we are posting. But visibility also is possible to restrict in multiple levels, article level or class level or person level.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other questions from anyone else?
No, I hope we can proceed.
Okay, thank you. So now the articles are there. Let us assume, see, ideally, okay, this same implementation have been done last week for Ethiraj College scholars as well last week. So what they have done, which is the best practices, the senior people or senior scholars, they have a group of people assigned, a group of students assigned to each one of them. So what they made a target also, like, every week, they only identify topic, give to the students, and encourage people to read it and share the document here. Share what you understand in your own language, not searching from somewhere. Give a case study, and they have it is going on good actually. So that is some idea I can say, that how we can make the collaboration more. So imagine when we make it more rich, like hundred thousands of very good information coming in, then imagine how it will be next 2 years or 3 years later for anyone to refer. That is one. And the second thing is, because there is an option for ideas also, we can also drive some ideathon of 1 week. Yeah, all of you can use this platform, post your ideas. So you will get wonderful ideas in multiple technology as well as domains and entrepreneurship in many ways. So these are some of the tips I can say to make people more interactive and more contributing this platform. See, platform and technology and tools are very simple, but how we use it makes the difference. So how we really engage this, use this for effectively to enrich our knowledge. That is the ultimate goal. Now, second is search. Now someone joined. Now Selva is there. Selva is, let us assume Selva is a MSc first year student who came in and he wanted to search something. Maybe Selva, you can post some questions. Selva is the student and Selva is, you discard all that. You can ask some question and see what is it answering. So now let us assume, now in this case, we have only 20 test documents, but let us assume all of us are posting it, became 100, 200 document. Now Selva is asking, what's the question you asked? What is JavaScript, is it? Okay. So now Selva gets the answer, not a big document. If since there is one document, you got this answer like this. But what if every one of us have written about JavaScript, the answer will be a summary of all the documents that is there in the complete platform, a summary of 4 lines. Selva have only 1 minute to understand. So he will immediately read the white box summary. Similar to how you ask ChatGPT, the response will be there as a summary, that will be there. If you ask where the summary is coming from, it is a curated, customized content from all the documents available related to JavaScript. Now, Selva wanted to know more about JavaScript. Then he has the bottom box. This is the detailed document. Okay, start reading about it in detail. So you will start reading everything, and there might be videos you can play. There might be anything that is. But as we all know, how did this document come in is only by our we only posted this. Someone posted this and someone consuming this. That is how it is. Now Selva wanted to not to read the document, but ask so many questions. Selva, you can go to chat. So now he wanted to keep on conversing with this platform, asking questions and getting answers. So he can keep asking questions, more and more questions, more and more. What is JavaScript? What are examples of JavaScript? How can I do JavaScript? Everything it could be. You can just make it as a conversational chat. You want to maximize? Okay. So now he can ask more and more questions. When we do this, your history also will be saved. So tomorrow, after 1 week, if Selva wants to again ask this question, he need not type and all. He can see the history. He can click what he has searched earlier and he can get that answers. So it is similar to ChatGPT. You could just imagine ChatGPT, but it is your own ChatGPT. But then so it may not answer if you ask the question which are not in the platform. The content is not at all posted by anyone, then it won't be answering. As we all know, that's how it works. You are ring fencing or making the boundary within the university and department for the information that will be shared with you. Any questions on the search and chat?
Scholars, if you have any questions, you can raise. We can proceed, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So this primarily will help when you have multiple project reports, internship reports, internship analysis, or anything of that sort. If it is being shared, it is very much useful for those who are doing or analyzing the same problem or same approach. Can use that as a reference, as long as we all ensure it in a disciplinary way that not to copy and recreate the same. This would be that is anyhow that could be possible if we want to do, but the discipline that we need to ensure that we use it in a right way. Okay, and this could also be, again, this is not between students. Again, if the faculties wanted to convey anything, share anything, yes, of course, this would be the right platform to do the same. Go to the home page, Silva. So that is how overall, again, you can sort by recent or by most popular, like which article is being looked upon a lot and who is getting more likes, and you can filter also by the category of type of documents. If you want to filter only ideas, then you can filter and see how many ideas has come in as people posted it. So this is the platform. So in a nutshell, three main things. One is how we contribute to the platform or share the knowledge, how we consume or search the knowledge or details, and number three, how we make this platform more and more interactive by having the gamifications. These are the three crux of the whole thing, and you can go to the dashboard, Silva. And the either the faculty or whichever level that we need to configure, though particular, I could say it could be at a head of department or faculty or even the scholar level, or however level we want to configure, we can have this dashboard configured, which will always say how many students are there active, and how many articles are there already, how many searches happened, and how many searches gave results, and how many knowledge credit. As I told, there are credits for each. So how many knowledge credits are there so far for this department, and who satisfaction is based on the upvote, downvote, and who is the most contributor. That will be the interesting thing. Who is the outstanding contributor, and which class is which class has contributed more. Enriching class, that is maybe MSc first year AI, that class has contributed more. So similarly, what is the popular article for that month. So this keeps, it's a dynamic thing, so this keeps on refreshing as and when the data and the information gets changed. And so any faculty could see always, every month how the engagement with this platform is looking like, how many people are using it in a right way, and main boxes, how many are in which category. For example, maybe 80% of the people are using it very much high, 10% or less. So that pie diagram will say that, how the distribution of usage among the people are. And if you scroll down, the popular articles will be there, how many popular article, and a quick report on which class, how many articles they did and all, which could be downloadable in Excel and used for any reporting to university or wherever the external report need to be sent. So this is how the dashboard, executive, or I could say the department dashboard looks like. Any questions on this? Pankaj, you might have anything.
Popularity based on the likes or the comments.
Correct. And also most read. It's like you click the document, most of it's a multiple factors. How many people are reading the document is being tracked. Second, how much engagement that is happening, comments, likes, reading, clicking, viewing, reading, likes and comments.
Okay.
And the dashboard, in the dashboard, we can also search. For example, search, you can click. If Pankaj wants to know only about the class first year students, how they are performing. So that could be filtered, and currently, the students and all the things need to be bring active. Everything has been configured. It will be made active after this session. So, so Pankaj can always filter and see how every class is performing, and without the filter, it will be overall department. So that is it overall, and I'm very happy to actually have this rolled out to Bharatiya University, especially to the Department of Computer Science, because this is something I was dreaming while developing itself, that the first version or the first instance should be given back to the university and department. So I'm happy to be here meeting you all. What makes me more, what makes all of us more and more happy and useful and informative and successful of this a whole engagement is how we use this effectively. And also you all are really would be having very very intuitive and great thoughts while you keep using. So I'll be also happy for any feedback, anything that you think that yeah, innovatively this could be done this way, this is the right one, this works well, this doesn't work well. So any type of feedback, anything you have also, I'm pretty much open to listen and hear back from you all.
Okay, ma'am. Once we start working, I think there may be certain queries from scholars where they in turn will take to the students. And we thank you so much, and we are privileged to have an alumni like this supporting our department. And hope this will be in turn. I'll talk with the Chandra madam and we'll initiate the task like posting, since you have created the IDs for every student and the scholars. Is there anything to be done, or we can start doing or posting things,
Okay.
ma'am?
So what I will do after this, a little cleanup of the test data, whatever you have seen to be done. And we will do this because to show the demo, we have created the 10 documents. We will clean it up completely. And we got only 22 students active. What we will do, the 150 already what you shared also, we configured. We will bring all of them active. So
Okay.
you will have around 200 students total.
We'll do. I'll check with madam because second years now they have gone for project period. Everyone of
Uh-huh.
them. I'll check with madam, or we'll make active first years or the second years also. Will.
Okay. See, indeed, my suggestion is when they are out, also they will be able to access this,
Okay.
right? Ari, is it possible?
Sorry, ma'am?
No, when the students are not in the campus and outside, also they will be able to access this link, right?
No, 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 only inside of campus.
Oh, okay. Then that is the challenge, right, Pongajavali?
Yeah, ma'am. So that's what I thought is first if we'll make first years alone active as of now.
First years and scholars, we will, and
Scholars.
faculties,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, okay.
So
So
that
we will bring up only the first years and scholars IDs to be active and keep it. But the details with the link and everything, I will share it with you. You can circulate with whoever you want to circulate.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Pongajavali. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for your support, for your patience.
No, 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 anytime. And I'm happy. I am also thankful to all of you. I definitely I'll meet this team when I come there next time. I'll look forward for the same.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks, Pongajavali. Thanks everyone, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.